If you look up at a clear night sky, which planets will you see? Technically, you will be able to see all of them, one night or another, but not Neptune. Neptune, the smallest of all gas giants along with Uranus, has not been studied from a short distance yet. A spacecraft, Voyager 2, visited Neptune once in 1989. Actually, visit is not the right thing to say. In fact, the probe just flew by the blue planet, capturing a few nice pictures. These space missions cost a lot of money. James Webb has costed more than $10 billion, and other missions like Voyager also cost billions of dollars. But what if these missions could pay for themselves and even give us a few times profit of the cost? Currently, scientists at NASA are working on a solution. Named Neptune Odyssey, NASA has scheduled this mission to launch for 2031. This mission to Neptune will not just pay $3.4 billion spent on the flight, but also give us a very handsome profit. In this video, you will find out how can these missions pay for themselves and how exactly Neptune will be financially beneficial to Earth. Neptune is one of the most important planets in our solar system for a lot of reasons. Mainly, this ice giant planet may have up to 640 times more oxygen in the form of water than expected. In fact, Neptune has about 15% oxygen in its atmosphere. Now, this mission has the utmost importance as this is one of the latest spacecrafts that is going this far. The spacecraft will have infrared and visible light cameras that will not just give us the pictures of Neptune, but also Triton. But how will Neptune Odyssey pay for itself? After all, $3.4 billion are no joke. Neptune Odyssey will be the first spacecraft that will pay for itself. That's because its most awaited part is Neptune's largest moon, Triton. Scientists believe that diamond can be found on layers of ice on Neptune and Triton. In fact, they even believe that in Neptune and Uranus, when it rains diamond. But diamond is not that interesting when it comes to technology. The thing that matters is metals like gold and silver. There is no solid proof of finding it there. So, how is Triton and Neptune interesting? From 1968 to 1972, during the Apollo programs, astronauts brought 382 kg of moonstones to Earth. In the 1970s, a Tennessee woman sued NASA for the rights to keep a vial of what she said is moon dust given to her by astronaut Neil Armstrong. In the same year, a trace of moon dust from Apollo 11 sold at an auction for $1.8 million. Her lawyer said she had probably 10 to 15 cc. NASA assessed the value of these rocks at around $50,800 per gram in 1973 based on the total cost of retrieving the samples. That works to just a hair over 300,000 a gram in today's currency. So what do you think? If we bring Neptunian diamonds, will they cost more than Earth's diamonds? Theoretically, yes. By auctioning these diamonds, we can easily get the flight cost back and even get a profit. But diamond is really not interesting to scientists. They are more interested in Triton. A question has always stuck on our mind. Is there life on Triton? Neptune's moon, Triton, has an icy surface, and scientists are sure that it also has a solid core. That means the core produces heat, and there must be a layer of water beneath the icy surface of Triton. Actually, there could be an ocean of water on Triton. But does that not mean there could be life on Triton too? That will be left for another video, but how are we so sure about diamond rain? Researchers at SLAC recreated the conditions that replicates Neptune and Triton here on Earth. Using a free electron laser known as LCLS, they heated styrene to 5000 Kelvin. That is nearly the same temperature as deep inside Neptune, which caused the pressure to rise up to 1.5 million bar. That's like 250 African elephants standing on top of one another. That was enough to turn carbon inside styrene into diamond. Though diving inside Neptune to collect diamonds is really not possible as of now. Neptune is a gaseous planet where huge storms are raging inside. But there is a better alternative, that is mining asteroids. And that is really a thing. ESA, NASA and other space agencies have already done this and have planned to do many more in the near future. In fact, NASA is set to explore a massive metal asteroid called PhysxX that's worth way more than our global economy. This 140 miles or 226 kilometers wide asteroid deserves its own video, which is still in progress. It is technically worth about 10,000 quadrillion dollars. That's way more than global economy, which was worth about 84.5 trillion in 2020. Share this video to them who thinks space exploration is a waste of money. Stay tuned to explore the universe.